I bought this suspension trainer, but don't know how to use it. What do I do? We'll get into that coming up. You don't need a gym to get in the best shape of your life. First thing we'll go over is how to train your back with the suspension trainer, and then I'll teach you about biceps in 2 parts. One is easier and the second increases the range of motion to make your gains much better. I have my suspension trainer that I put in the door frame, and now he's plant my feet and lower myself and pull up. You can move your feet closer and you get your body more horizontal to make it more difficult, or you can move your feet back to make your body more vertical and make it easier. Just got done with an awesome back workout using my suspension trainer. I'll let you guys see it in the videos. Check out the way I use it for biceps. Live longer, feel better, and life to your years. So you'll get the suspension device, grab the handles, and the supinated grip, and take a stance back about shoulder width apart, lower yourself, and straightening the arms, and curl up, and slow down fast. Bicep curl. You can alter the difficulty by shifting your weight around and different fulcrum points. So I make it harder by curling up to my forehead instead of simply to my chest. If you want more fitness and nutrition advice, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel for the suspension trainer, as well as any other fitness equipment or nutritional supplements. Check out the link in the description. And question of the day: what's your favorite cold weather activity? Let me know in the comments.